Right, so here we have a 5th generation Camaro ZL1 and a 3rd gen Z28. We're gonna test out who sounds louder and who sounds better.
So I got a LS Swap 6.0 with LS3 heads, long tube headers. Got 4-inch exhaust with MagnaFlow Mufflex mufflers.
Mine just has long tube headers and the factory MPP exhaust. All right, since your car's the oldest, start her up. That sounds crazy. So now for the grand finale. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section below who sounded better, 3rd gen Z28 or 5th gen ZL1.